Hello, what's going on, guys? I hope you are having a great day wherever you are. And so, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Emma Graphics, and welcome to my channel. And in this channel, I do CorelDRAW tutorial videos and other programs as well. So we talked about anything related to graphic designs. All right. So if you have any question, have any issue, drop it under the comment section, and don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video so that other people can benefit from it. So today I'm quickly going to talk about creativity. All right, I'm talking about AI. All right, how AI is is giving a lot of people sleepless nights. All right, I'm talking about the graphic designers. So AI is trying to give them, a lot of us, me included, okay, tough time. But I'm not afraid, because quite a lot of us are very, very much afraid that AI will take our jobs. All right, and the reason is clear, because AI is pretty much doing what a graphic designer is supposed to do. So in fact, the speed by which the AI is actually doing it, you can't compare it to human. But guess what? AI can never ever take away your job. And I will repeat that: AI can never ever take away your job as a graphic designer. You know why? I know this because of creativity. Just one word. There's a lot of reasons I can list down here that AI can never ever replace human being as a graphic designer. Okay, and let me quickly point out that the creativity I mentioned, because it involved a lot. Because when it has to do with creativity is more like a, should I say, a complex process that involved, originality, involve emotion and personal expression. Therefore creativity is a unique human trait that AI doesn't have. I don't know, like, if this actually makes sense to you. AI might come up with whatever, but you see the emotion, you see originality, you see personal expression that we as a graphic designer attach to our work. That is what AI cannot offer. So in other words, AI lacks the ability to comprehend, all right, or duplicate the depth of a human creativity and empathy. So those are the few things: the empathy, the emotion, the creativity, that is in there, that human being, like us, have. That's what AI doesn't. So for that reason, those who truly want something when it has to do with graphic design, and they know what they want, they can never ever choose AI in the place of normal human graphic designer. All right. So I just want you to take that panic off your chest. Just don't be afraid. Just keep on doing your work. As long as you know what you are doing, you know your worth, and trust me, AI will never ever replace you. And that doesn't mean that you should not learn. Okay, we learn every day. Even me, there's certain things I discovered a couple of days ago, and I was like, come on, this thing I supposed to have learned this a long time ago, but I just discovered it. Why? Because I did not make research over that thing some years back. But now, because of the research I made, I found out that, yeah, this is it and this is that. So I was able to. So we have to keep learning even while we are doing our job. Keep learning, learn new tools and all of that. So in fact, AI should be like an assistant. So we combine the two. In fact, just imagine you combining AI with yourself. Imagine what you can accomplish. So don't let AI threaten you, rather use it as an advantage, okay, for you. All right. And I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, I will post this video as well on my second channel. I think I'm actually going to post this video on my second channel, if I can post it in those two channels, because I want everybody to be able to see this video and able to draw the motivation out of it, and so that they can stay focused and do their design. All right, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my second channel, my backup channel, Emma Graphics 1. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.